Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact cell type. Most BMW fobs use CR2430, so grab one and a small flathead. Use the emergency key to release the metal key blade. Once open, wedge the screwdriver into the seam where the key was stored and twist gently to separate the halves. Do this slowly to avoid snapping clips. Make sure to keep track of any rubber pads or springs as you expose the battery, because reassembly depends on orienting those pieces correctly. Once the fob is open, inspect how the battery sits and take a mental note or photo of the polarity. This matters more than you think. Use a plastic pick or the corner of your flathead to nudge the old cell out. Avoid metal contact with circuit traces. Clean any corrosion gently with a cotton swab and isopropyl alcohol. Then drop the new CR2430 into place, pressing it so it sits flush. Ensure the rubber contact pad contacts the metal spring for reliable power. Reassemble by aligning the two halves and pressing evenly until you hear the clips click. Make sure the rubber keypad hasn't folded and the emergency key slides back smoothly. Immediately test lock, unlock, and trunk functions from a few meters away to confirm range. If the remote doesn't respond, remove the battery and recheck polarity and contact cleanliness, then try a second new cell if needed. Often a poor contact or wrong orientation is the culprit. If problems persist, consult dealer diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.